Good morning to one and all. I am Dr. Sunil V. Gaikwad going to present my research topic design and synthesis of novel beta carbolin hybrid molecule as a potent anti-cancer agent in the International E-Conference on Drug Discovery, Development and Application. The drug discovery, development and application consist of the drug discovery and drug development. In the drug discovery, it proceeds to find out the pathogen or viruses and microorganism responsible for the particular diseases, then find out the target identification, that is from that microorganism or from that viruses which protein is responsible for the particular diseases, then lead identification to for the treatment of that particular disease, to find out the drug candidate. After the finding of the good drug which is safe for the human being, then it proceed for the clinical study and regulatory approval. As we know that all this study it required about 14 to 16 year of time. In this pandemic situation, the COVID-19, the scientists introduced hydrochloroquine for the treatment of the COVID-19 within a less time of period, because this hydrochloroquine initially they used for the treatment of the malaria, that is for the antiviral drug. Here I am going to present my research design and synthesis of the novel beta carbolin hybrid molecule as a potent anti-cancer agent. Cancer is a major health burden in both the developed and the undeveloped countries. According to the World Health Organization, about 8.8 million people died because of the cancer in the 2015. The beta carbolin alkaloid consists of the group of the alkaloid with a common tricyclic pyridoindole ring. The beta carbonyl were originally isolated from the seed of the Pyganum harmenal and has been traditionally used for the treatment of the cancer and the malaria. As per the literature report, some of the beta carbonyl will show the CDK2 inhibitor activity. This activity because of the modification at a N9 position of the beta carbonyl. Here, how we can modify the beta carbolin molecule so we can get a potent anti-cancer molecule. As per the literature report, when we do the modification at C1, C3, C3, C6, C8 and C9 position, it dramatically enhances its anti-cancer activity. Based on this literature report, we modified our proposed beta carbonin molecule at C1 and N9 position. Selection of the protein. For the molecular docking study, the protein is important. So how we can select the protein for the molecular docking? As we know, some of the beta carbonin molecule show CDK2 inhibitor activity, and they are already reported in the literature, and they did a molecular docking with a 1-PYE protein which is responsible for the CDK2 inhibitor. So we select 1-PYE protein for our molecular docking. Here we have proposed a series of novel beta carbolin molecule for the molecular docking. 1-PYE protein is isolated from the protein data bank, and this 1-PYE protein consists of its own ligand aminoimidazole pyrimidine. This aminoimidazole pyrimidine is located in the pocket number 36 and consists of about 39 amino acid around it. And out of the 39 amino acid, there are about 4 to 5 amino acid which show the hydrogen bond interaction with this ligand. Here we did a molecular docking study with our proposed ligand, and we found that our ligand is docked with a protein in and located in the cavity of the 1-PYE and show very good interaction with the amino acid which is responsible for the CDK2 inhibitor. This one is the second molecule, also show a good docking and hydrogen bonding interaction with the particular amino acid. In the 3D model show that ligand and the protein molecule show very good hydrogen bonding interaction with the amino acid ASP145, valine 18, leucine 83, which is responsible for the CDK2 inhibitor activity. But as we notice that the based on the modification of the beta carbolin at N9 position, the orientation of the molecule also changed in the pocket of the 1-PYE protein. So based on the good docking score, we selected the beta carbolin derivatives for the synthesis. In the synthesis part, it proceed via tryptamine is treated with the appropriate aldehyde in a Pictet-Spengler cyclization reaction to give the tetrahydro beta carbolin derivative. Then these tetrahydro beta carbolin derivatives aromatized by using already our reported method, that is iodine DMSO H2O2 heated at 90 degrees Celsius in a 30 to 1 hour gives aromatic beta carbolin derivatives. These aromatic beta carbolin derivatives are purified and used for the next step, that is treated with the alkyl halide or chloroethyl acetate in a KOH DMSO stirred at room temperature up to the 3 to 4 hour gives our proposed beta carbolin derivatives. These all the synthesized molecule are purified by using the column chromatography and characterized by spectroscopic technique. In a conclusion, all the designed ligand were docked with a protein PDB1-PY CDK2 inhibitor. The best docking score, novel beta carbolin derivative, was synthesized with good yield. All the synthesized compound were characterized by using 1H-NMR, 13C-NMR, mass, IR and HRMS spectroscopy. Lastly, I would like to thanks Department of Chemistry, Organizing Committee, Rayat Shikshan Samstha, Karmavir Bhaurav Patil College, Vashi, Navi Mumbai for giving us opportunity to present our work in the International E-Conference. Thank you one and all.